Hi, welcome to our lesson for today. We are looking at systems technology, and in this unit we are going to focus on the operating system. Now let's look at the role of operating system. Now the role of operating system is to mainly control and manage your computer. The operating system is also responsible for starting the computer by controlling the hardware connected to the motherboard, providing the user's password control, as well as disk and memory management. Now, again, your operating system can also provide user interface, which allows us to interact with your computer using GUI. Now, GUI simply means that your graphical user interface, where you are able to click and close windows, minimize, maximize, scroll, etc. Our operating system also manages programs by managing which programs and tasks can use the CPU. Now, when we move on in terms of how programs are managed. Now, whenever you need to create a user, you have the opportunity to create two different users. But let's find out more about the users. Now, the first one is a single user. Now, single user simply means that your software allows one user at a time to log in and run programs. And it can be done using a simple desktop computer. The second type of user is having multiple users. Now, this simply means that your computer will allow two or more users to run programs simultaneously. And most of those computers that can provide that will be your servers. Then when we move on into more managing programs, now what is multitasking? Now, multitasking is to run more than one program at a single time. Now, Task Manager also allows the viewing of active processes in your system, as well as to be able to deal with your non-responding applications. Now, let's look at this picture here. Now, the first one will show that this is a Windows Task Manager, and we open the Processes tab, and you can see all the applications that are being processed. And then the second one here, still a Windows Task Manager, and on Applications, it's going to show you all the running applications currently. Now, moving on to System Utilities. Now, System Utilities is your software that assists the user in terms of managing and controlling the computer's operations. Now, they also allow us to perform some system maintenance as well as administration tasks. Now, what is it that we need, or why we need these utilities? It is because they help us to make sure that our system is working to its full potential by also providing housekeeping functions, scan disks, uninstalling programs, search for files, and other more facilities. That is all that we're going to discuss on our operating systems for today. Thank you for joining us. Goodbye.